Hello, I am Mr. Ibrahim Nkrumah, the architect on this project. The description of the project is as follows. The project is a five-story building that consists of a hospital and an orphanage home. The project occupies 30.363 meter by 439.68 meter on the land with a playground. The total floor area of each floor is 605 meters square, and the ground floor is occupied by a hospital with almost all facilities, which are as follows: the OPD, nurses station, administration's office, records office, account office, 4 consulting rooms, emergency room, doctor's office, doctor's restroom, pharmacy, laboratory, general store, treatment room, and a washroom for staff and public use. The first floor consists of the main ward, children's ward, female ward, male ward, dining area, matron's office, kitchen and pantry, storage room, 4 orphanage rooms, each with 8 persons, and a male and female washroom. To continue, the second and third floors are typical, which also has 8 orphanage rooms that can house 8 persons in a room, excluding 3 of them, which contains just 6. The caretaker's room were provided in each floor to take care of the orphans, and also washrooms in each floor. With the fourth floor, there are 9 orphanage rooms that can contain. Hello, I am Mr. Ibrahim Nkrumah, the architect on this project. The description of the project is as follows. The project is a 5-story building which consists of